How to check recently watched reels on YouTube. In this tutorial, first open your Instagram app on your device. Then tap on your profile icon. Tap on it. After then you find this option, top right corner, three dot line. Tap on. When you tap, wait few seconds. After then you also see and find this option, your account, your activities. Tap on this activities. After then select like, comment, reports, tags, thanks, etc. and select like or comment. After then you will see this option, who can recently watched your video, reels and picture others, etc. You can be change new and old, separate this. Thanks for watching this video. If you helpful this video, don't forget subscribe.